Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how do you log someone out of your Instagram. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you want to log someone out or someone else or yourself out of Instagram or the device, what you can do is select the device you want to log out from, then inside open up Instagram app. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap your three horizontal bar on the top right corner of your screen. Then next, what you need to do is select account center at the top, and once you're inside your account center, here what you need to do is under account settings, select password and security. Then once you're inside your password and security, under security checks, you will be given an option that says regular logged in. Simply tap on that, and now what you need to do is, if you have multiple accounts, you'll see a list of devices currently logged into your account. Select the account where you want to or which you want to log out of. Then once inside, you'll be seeing your account login activity. Now all you gotta do is just simply tap on this select device to log out option. Then once that's done, select the device where you want to log out, and then once you select it, on the bottom the logout button will be highlighted. Simply select that, and now you'll be asked, are you sure you want to log out? And then all you gotta do is tap on logout, and the selected device will log you out of your Instagram account. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.